In this video, I'll show you how to set a password for closed books in QuickBooks Online so completed periods stay protected from accidental edits. Start by signing in with an admin account, then click the gear icon in the top right and choose Account and Settings. From the left menu, open Advanced, then find the Accounting section and click Edit. Turn on Close the Books, and a closing date field will appear. Set this to the last day of a period you've already reconciled and finalized, like month end or quarter end. Next, choose the option that allows changes only after a warning and entering a password, because that adds a clear checkpoint while still letting authorized corrections happen when truly needed. Create a strong password, share it only with trusted users, like your accountant, and store it securely so it doesn't get lost. Click Save, and your file is now locked through that date. From now on, if anyone tries to edit or delete a transaction dated on or before the closing date, QuickBooks will show a warning and require the password to proceed, helping keep your reports consistent and your audit trail clean. Subscribe for more QuickBooks guides that keep your books accurate and stress-free.